How to auto-save Snapchat pictures to your gallery. So follow this step. Simply open the application. Then simply tap on your Bitmoji. And at the top right corner, you'll find a setting icon or a gear icon. Simply tap on that. Now simply scroll down to the privacy controls, under which you'll find at the end, you'll find memories section under generative AI settings. Simply tap on memories, and under save destinations, you can see save button icon. Now tap on there. Now here you can select memories and camera roll or camera roll. Now to understand what it does, memories and camera roll will save to both your Snapchat memory as well as your camera roll, whereas camera roll only will save everything of the Snapchat to your gallery. So just select on that suits best for you. Simply tap on which you want, and after that simply head back and the setting has been saved. And that's it guys. In this way you can auto save Snapchat pictures to your gallery. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe and like to the video. And finally, thank you for watching.